Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Julia, and if you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about me showing you all how I make my delicious crab cakes, so just keep watching. So before I get started with preparing my crab meat, I'm going to place my baked potato in the oven. I typically put this in for about 2 hours. So what I'll do is start the baked potato, I'll start prepping the crab cakes, and then I will place the crab cake in the oven about 30 minutes prior to when the baked potato is going to be ready. So before I start preparing the crab meat, I will make my own breadcrumbs, and how I do that is with taking one piece of a potato roll, and I just pick it up really, pick small pieces apart, and then I also will mix crackers in as well. And so I'm just showing you all a piece of the crab meat, how it is lumped crab meat. So what you see in front of me, I have some mayonnaise, I have an egg, I have mustard, I have Worcester sauce, I have seasonal, Old Bay season, what else? And of course, parsley. So I'm going to add all these items together, and then I'm going to prepare my crab cakes. once I add all of the ingredients together, I'm going to pour it over the lump crab meat, and then I will lightly mix it around and then create 2 crab cake patties. Now you could probably make 3 crab cakes, but I just like nice size crab cakes, so I can only get 2 out of this batch. Now I'm going to prepare my broccoli. What I typically do is just already rinse the broccoli off. Now I will just cut it up into small pieces. I will put it inside the glass container. I will also just sprinkle a little bit of Season All on top. I'll place some butter on top as well. I'll cut those up in small pieces. And then I will just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. Before I place it in the microwave, I will put just a couple drops of water in the bowl and then microwave it maybe about 4 minutes. So I already placed the crab cakes in the oven. Now I'll go ahead and place the broccoli in the microwave, and I'm going to check on the baked potato to see if that is ready. I'm so glad I remembered to get this muffin because I'm always burning my arm by just reaching into the oven to take something out. So I'm glad I remembered it this time. So next I'm just going to prep my baked potato. What I normally do is just make a slit down the middle, and then I'll put some salt in there, some pepper, butter, and then again I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cheese on. And there you have it, my famous crab cake, broccoli and cheese, and a nice baked potato. Thanks for watching.